What is up, everybody? It's your girl Charlene FX, and I am here with a quick trade breakdown for this week. This week has been excellent, guys. Excellent in terms of setups. We've had some news pushes lately, but for the most part, the setups have definitely been there, and I'm really liking what I'm seeing on all of the pairs that I trade. So right now, we're just looking at US30 here. US30 has like I explained earlier in some of my other videos. Um, we have been ranging for quite a while inside this giant range here. I've only been looking for trades at the top of the range and at the bottom of the range for the most part, guys. It's not there's not too much in the way of an analysis. Just looking to trade this range and to grab as many good setups as I can with regard to a good risk to reward as well. As you guys can see here, I was looking for entries in this area here. So basically, when you're trading any kind of pair, guys, you want to wait for the market to give you certain types of confirmations, right? The first confirmation, obviously, is the market is bullish. So I'm more biased to buys than I am for the sells. I'm more interested in looking for buys and sells because the overall trend is bullish. That's my first I guess confirmation you could say I'm looking for. The second confirmation, guys, is the rejections when price comes to my major support levels. So because I'm looking for buys, I need to be looking for major support levels to be respected. And this morning, price was lingering in this area here, so I just waited for price to kind of give me some sort of indication here that price wanted to reject. So I waited for this 4 hour candle to close because price could have easily continued down, right? You can't just take a buy at the first instance because you never know when the range is going to break out. So basically what I was waiting for was confirmation here. So what I'll do is I'll just highlight this area here and tell you guys what I was looking for in terms of entries. My very first confirmation, guys, was the fact that price was at this major support that hasn't been broken in a while. Okay. Please excuse my voice, guys. I've been dealing with a chest infection, so that's why I sound a little bit off here. Okay, so getting back to US30 here, this is what I was looking for in terms of entries. Okay, price was making lower lows and lower highs and breaking down. I see we had this long rejection on the 1 hour time frame here, and price started kind of losing momentum at that point. You want to really look at your wick levels for your wicks to tell you why price is rejecting a certain level, and also how the candle bodies are rejecting that area as well, right? Then once you have a general area that you want to enter in, you always want to draw out your market structure levels, right? So I have a low here, I have a high, I have a low, I have a high, I have a low, and then I have a high right here. So basically what I'm looking for is for price to start respecting the lows and then breaking highs, which in turn means I'm looking for price to break some level of structure, which would be right here, for price to eventually continue bullish. Now, can we get some sort of a pullback here? Absolutely, we can. But either way, I'm still looking for price to continue bullish. There really isn't anything else here telling us that price is going to come back at any point. It is Friday, it's Freaky Friday. You want to take it easy on a Friday. But at the same time, if the setup is there, then it's there. All right. At that point, I would just drop down to my lower time frames and look for the best entry confirmations as I can. But as you can see, your entry confirmation was very clear right here on the 1 hour time frame. And then you enter when volume is coming in the market, and then you ride the wave. So I'm looking for US30 to continue up here, and I may not hold to this TP or this TP here. I have my TP levels like right around this area here. Like I said, it's Friday. I had a very good week. I'm not gonna push my luck. Probably not gonna hold all the way up to up here, but I have seen US30 just push, without giving much of a pullback after it pushes. It is Friday, and I'm looking to just grab a quick move. So as you guys can see here, the move is moving nicely here. It is a 10 in the morning, and let's see how much profit I am in right now. I am currently up about 10K. I have 4 positions open on this trade. I have, I think, 3 positions open around this area, and I have 1 position open down here. I got in right at this pullback here. Once I saw this level rejected and the candle started pushing, I got in, was in a little bit of drawdown, and then price started pushing up. So That's where I am right now. So excellent week, guys. Excellent week, I should say. If I wasn't so sick this week, I would have been on live, and I could have been able to take all these trades live with you guys to show you guys, exactly what I'm looking for my entries and whatnot. But wasn't able to do that. So I apologize for that, guys. As soon as I'm well again, I will be back doing the live sessions. Um, and that's pretty much it. Pretty much it. The thing is, I have had such a good week. Do I really want to hold for this to come up here? I don't know. I don't know. I'm up a lot right now. Um, this is the only trade I'm looking for today. I did see a setup on AU here for the buys from down here this morning. However, I had to go make some tea and I lost track of time, and I ended up missing this push. When I came back, the price had already started pushing, so I missed the opportunity to jump in for these buys here. Even though the market is bearish, I was essentially looking for the buys to kind of correct this move, to retrace and then continue down. But it looks like it's continuing to push here. Everything seems to be bullish at this point in time. I did post the trade I took last night for gold, for gold to continue down, and gold is pulling back here right now. And then we see US30 pulling back nicely, and I had a buy analysis on GU as well, and GU just flew here, just completely flew. So looks like everything pretty much played out for me today, but the only setup I was able to capitalize on is US30, and US30 is wow, moving very nice there. Wow, incredible, guys, incredible. um 12 up 12K right now, almost 12K. This could definitely be probably a 20K day if I let this thing run here. Maybe even more. So let me see what we're looking like on the 4 hour time frame here, because the 4 hour candle, we still have quite a bit of time left in it. A lot of volume for it to continue pushing. I'm really not seeing anything stopping price from continuing at this point. What I've noticed about US30, guys, is US30 moves. When it moves, it moves. It doesn't really jerk around. Um, it'll give you, like, at your entry areas, guys, or your take profit areas, it'll give you, a little bit of up and down movement. But once the move takes off at that point, I mean, you gotta just anticipate that it's gonna continue. There's not too much choppiness. If you look in the past here, you'll see that, we had some nice clean pushes up, clean pushes down, clean push up, clean push down. I mean, you can't ask for anything more than that. You really can't. I'm really beginning to like this pair. I'm really liking how it moves. I really wish it did not range as much as it did. However, I've been able to capitalize on the ranges. So understand, guys, that I trade this pair very differently than I do gold, AU, GU, and whatnot. I look at it from a different angle, from a different point of view. So I have not added US30 breakdowns or anything like that to my course yet, but I may add it, I may not. I may just keep it as a separate thing. I'm not sure yet. I'm still learning this pair. I'm still getting the hang of it. And once I decide what I want to do, I'll definitely keep you guys posted. So live sessions should be back on YouTube tomorrow. The private live streams are going to be starting soon as well. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram to be updated on that at CharleneFX, guys. All the information is going to be in the description box below. And if you're interested in learning how I trade like this, how I'm able to see the markets from the way that I see it, looking at, setups like this, being able to really teach you guys how to look at the charts, get my course. You know what I'm saying? Sign up. I teach you guys very simplistic way of trading. I keep things very simple. As you can see, my charts are very clean, very clean. I take out all the fluff. I take out all the complications. Don't rely on indicators too much here. I just keep things as simple as possible, and I teach you guys how to be master scalpers. That's pretty much it. If you're looking at intraday swinging, I'm not the one for you. But if you are interested in scalping and you're looking to get in the market, get out, grab your setups, and you have a good day, I'm the person you need to turn to. But other than that, guys, that is pretty much it. Don't know how much more I'm gonna let this trade ride for. We'll see. But for now, I'm gonna hold for a little bit and see if we can get maybe another little push up in this area here, and then at that point I will close out. I will put the final trade up on my Instagram so you guys can see where I closed out at, and that'll be it. So guys, when you're watching videos like this, or you're watching people post setups and trades online, or YouTube, Instagram, whatever you watch it on, the key to learning is to backtest the move, mark off the person's entry, mark off their exit, and really try to analyze why they got in the market, where they got in, why they got in, the session they got in at, where they held, where they got out at, all that kind of stuff. You always want to backtest those things, because that's the only way that you're gonna really learn how to be, a really good trader. You have to be able to backtest and understand. And if you don't understand, then it would behoove you to, you know, invest in some sort of course, maybe that person's course or something that's going to help you understand the markets the way they do. So do your homework, do your due diligence on somebody, before you invest in them. Try to understand how they trade. Study someone, study the strategy. Try to get an idea of seeing the charts through that person's eyes, so that you can have the best chance to become a really good trader such as that person. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoy these videos, the day in the life videos, the vacation videos, psychology videos. All of that stuff is coming back, guys. Trust me. Just bear with me. Give me some time. I've been dealing with some personal things lately, and dealing with some health issues as well. As soon as I get myself back to 100%, I promise I will be hitting the ground hard with it and putting out as much content as I can. And also, I'm also looking for another graphic designer. I don't work with my graphic designer anymore, so I am looking for someone else to work with me full time. So if you're a graphic designer, you're good with graphics, thumbnails, banners, and things like that, just shoot me a DM on Instagram or shoot me an email, and let's talk. Other than that, guys, thank you guys so much for all the support. Thank you guys for the likes, the subs. I think we're at 30K subs now, and I'm almost at 30K on Instagram as well. So I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you guys so very much. And other than that, I will catch you guys on the next trade. You guys be good, and I'll see you guys later.